Hi everyone, this is Anjul Pathak and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we will learn about a trick where we can use a button, and just by clicking on that button, we can clear all the filters which are there on your dashboard. So there are situations when you have, let's say, around 10 or 15 filters on your dashboard, and let's say client basically plays with all the filters, and then he needs to select all the filters as all. So basically then it's a very tedious and manual task to go to each and every filter and select all button. So instead of that, you can just make use of one button and clear all the filters. So we'll just see in a bit. Let's go to Tableau. So here in Tableau, like this, we have a dashboard over here. And if you see, we have few filters over here. Now there is a possibility that in your dashboard, you have, let's say 10 or 15 filters over here. And let's say client plays with all these filters. Okay. So for a particular reason, I am deselecting all these filters. Okay. And now after viewing my data, I want that my all the filters should get back to select all. So imagine you have to go to each and every filter and select all here, and this is here we have only four filters. And imagine if you have 10 to 15 filters in your dashboards, it would be really cumbersome for your client to click on all button for each of these filters. So that's why we can just put in one button, and with the help of that button, all the filters in your dashboard can be reset to all. So I'll show you how does this work. Let's say I have deselected few of the filters. Now with just one click on this button, you will see that I have reset all the filters. Just closely watch this. See, each and every filter is now selected all, right, with the just push of one button. So this is the trick which you can employ in your dashboards also. Let's see how we have created this button. Okay, this button is nothing but a sheet. Okay, so I'll show you how this sheet can be created. This dashboard is simple. You can just create few sheets, like I have created sales over time, then sales by customer segment, and then profit by segment. So these are three sheets which I have pulled in this dashboard, and then created a one other sheet. So I'll show you how to create this sheet. Go here. So I created one calculation called as clear all filters, and it is nothing but whatever text you want to write on your button. So I wanted to write clear all filters on the button. So I have just written this text. You can write something else also, like let's say reset all filters, maybe, right? So you can do this, and then just bring this calculation to text over here. You'll see the text has come. Now change this marks type to square. Okay, this is the second step. Third step is to increase the size of this. Okay, so just go here and increase it, and then using this size card, just increase the square button. Okay, so that it text fits in this square button, and then just play with the font and the alignment of this text. So go here, and you see alignment. You can first center align it, and if you want, you can increase the font of this text. Let's say maybe 11, and bold, and whatever font you want to select. Okay, so this is done. And now what you have to do, just create one dashboard. So let's say I create another dashboard over here. Okay, and okay, so I have created this dashboard, and let's fix the size. Okay, I'll increase the width and height. And now we have to just pull in that filter which we have just made. So just bring that here at the top. Okay, hide the title and just adjust this width. Okay, so now this button looks good over here. You can change the position of button maybe to bottom or left top, maybe as suitable for your dashboard. And then we just have to link this sheet to all the filters over here which are present in your dashboard. So for that you have to utilize the actions property of the dashboard. So just go here and click on actions, click on add action and click on filter over here. Now we have to select sheet 5, which is our reset all filters which we have just created, and click on select. So whenever we will select sheet 5, which is this, so whenever you will select reset all filters, what we want to do is target sheets. So target sheets are my remaining dashboards apart from the sheet 5. So I'll deselect this. So upon selecting sheet 5, which is reset all filters, my target sheets, which are these 3 dashboards, and I want to show all values, and here the target filters. Okay, whichever filters are shown here in the dashboard, you will go here and add filter in this. So first one is ship mode. I'll select the ship mode over here, click OK, then go here. Second is region, then I'll select region over here, click OK. Third one is year of order date, so I'll go to order date and select the year, click OK. Fourth one is state, I'll select the state and click OK. So if you see, I have selected all the four filters which appear in my dashboard. Okay, so once again I'm telling you, come here, source sheet is my reset all filters, which is sheet 5. I want the action to be performed on the select button. So whenever I will select this action will happen. Action will happen on target sheets, which are 3 different sheets which I have in this dashboard: profit by customer segment, sales by customer segment, and sales over time. I want to change the filters. Okay, these 4 filters which appear here, I want to change them. Okay, so I'll select them here and click OK, click OK. Now we will perform the experiment here. I'll just quickly do the change in this filters. So if you see here, okay, now I have made changes to my filters, and I have to just go here and click on this button, and you will see that all the filters will have the initial state of having all the values selected. So just clicking this, and you see then filters are back to normal of selecting all the values. So this is a small trick which comes very handy when you have minimum of 10 or 15 filters on your dashboard, and you or your client regularly plays with these filters and then wants every filter to be selected as all button. So I hope you found this video useful. So thank you for your time. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to remain updated with my new videos. Thank you.